Bro, look at this. I cannot make this shit up.
Bruh.
Call of Duty installed yesterday, 5 minutes ago. Another update. I deleted it the first time because the updates were too big, but maybe they're listening to me. That doesn't even help anything because look. Right now, that should say free space 158 gigabytes free. But you know why it says that? Because Call of Duty needs like 100 gigabytes for a 1 gigabyte update. One. Add that up, that's around, I don't know, a lot. But just a few minutes ago, I checked my storage before this update happened. And this literally said 158.02. But, mind you, on a 1 gigabyte update, 1 gigabyte, just got the game back yesterday. AT&T, by the way, might make a video on it. All my space is literally gone. Now, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once the update is done and show you what I mean by Call of Duty and PlayStation and this bullshit. If y'all wanna follow me, I play those 4 games. Bob Steven. My account is basically a meme.
Bruh.
Hey, you see it? You see it? You see it? Shameless plug. Subscribe. You waiting on? About 30 seconds left. I'm gonna check my storage. 65.66 gigabytes. 320 gigabytes of applications. 3.97 and all of that good stuff. Go over here. It's copying. Give it a second. And 55 minutes later, me damn near going to sleep. It's at 99%. My controller died. Let's try to hurry up and check. The storage. Still 65. This is a 1 gigabyte update. Installing. Install. Now, to check the storage before my controller dies. Look at that.
Wow.
So for PlayStation or Call of Duty, whoever's the culprit, fix that. It's a 1 gigabyte update. Why for a 1 gigabyte update, I need 90 something gigabytes of free space just to download 1 gigabyte of update. Fix this.